Great day, traders. Ralph the Trader here, back again with another video for you guys. Um, hey, today's video. Sorry about that. Today's video, you guys. I want to go over some forex entries on what I look for when I enter into the market. There's, a million ways that you can enter into the market, but I get a lot of people ask me, what do I look for when I enter into the market? So I just want to briefly go over that with you guys, and just let you guys know and share with you guys what I look for when I enter into the market. So um, before we get started though, if you are new to this channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification for every time that your boy drop a video. All right, I really appreciate it. Um, so what I look for, you guys, when I enter into the market, all right, first of all, I'm coming into the week. I'm looking to see if prices at a low of the week, at a high of the week, at the low of the day, at a high of the day, or at a low and high of a session. First thing, that's what I'm looking for. All right. And as you can see, this is the pound yen. All right. This is pound yen. Um, and I have this template, which is a free template, by the way, that is on the MetaTrader 4. All right. It's a free template that's on MetaTrader 4 that you can go inside of code base on your MT4, go inside of code base and just look for, I think it'll say like a daily high, daily low, weekly high, weekly low. All right. Now this other template that I have that gives me the previous day's high and low. This is something that I got off of a course that I purchased. But all this stuff you can do it manually as well. I'm quite sure a lot of you guys use TradingView, so you can go on TradingView and just put all this stuff in it. You know what I mean? You can get it. Like I said, you can do it manually as well, but I'm a simple guy. I like to keep things simple. So if there's something that can pretty much like do it for me, that way that's less stuff that I have to do and have to worry about when I come to my charts. All right. So what I look for when I'm getting to the market is the, like I said before, to see if prices at a high of the week, low of the week, high of the day, low of the day. All right. And I'm looking for pin hammers, engulfings. All right. Pin hammers and engulfings, tweezer tops, tweezer bottoms. All right. So it's only certain things that I'm looking for, but the pin hammers and engulfings are really what I'm really keying in on and what I'm really looking for. Because for one, the pin hammers, they give you the strong rejection to let you know that they're either locking in a low or high, locking in a low or a high, and the market is about to reverse. All right. And with the engulfers, we all know what the engulfings are. You know what I mean? That's great momentum. All right. So, and also I trade off of round numbers. So if you don't know what round numbers are, just go back and watch some of my previous videos. All right. So that's how I trade. So now coming into this, we're looking at the pound yen. All right. As you can see, when the market closed, this was the low of the week. All right. Last Friday, we're sitting at the low of the week. Now, if I'm at the low of the week, I'm looking to buy low and I'm looking to sell high. All right. So unless I see my setup, I'm not going to take this trade for a sell. I need price to give me a break and retest of this low. All right. Then I will take this sell. But just by coming looking at this, and this is in hindsight, but this is how I trade, though, you guys. I'm showing you the way that I trade, and I'm showing you what it is that I look for with these forex entries. But just if you understand structure, you would get this. All right, you would get it. You would get it. But looking at this, as you guys can see, we broke above this lower high right here. We broke above. All right, some people could have took this short, if they wanted to, but this is the market just not open. This ain't really nothing to be traded, honestly. I mean, unless you're trying to force something. But like I say, pin hammers and engulfers. Let me put my let me add my support and resistance because I trade off support and resistance. So, and this is just another template that I got from someone else. All right. It just, instead of me doing this thing manually, It gives me my support and resistance. I could change how many lines I want to put on there and everything. But for today's video, I'm just gonna leave it at 100 lines because I don't know where the market is and where it had ended up at. So, bam, there we go. And each one of my zones are 25 pip zones. All right, 25 pip zone. I aim for 50 pips. So now let's get into these entries, these Forex entries. All right. So like I said before, blow this up. As we can see, the market was at the last week's low. All right. So I'm sitting at the low. Now I trade London session. So coming into this market, now I did not trade this pair, but I'm just going over, entries. Excuse me, guys. So as you can see, we're sitting at the low. All right. During Asian session, market came down and gave you this hammer, pin hammer. Signal. This is a signal for reversal. This is a signal for reversal. I'm not saying when you see this, you enter into the market. No, don't do that. Do not do that just because you see a pin hammer. Do not do that, guys. All right. Wait for your setup. Okay. Wait for your setup. But this pin hammer is usually a sign. This is a sign for reversal. Okay. This is a sign for reversal. Pin hammer. Okay. We got a pin hammer followed by an engulfing, but we're still just accumulating. All right. My setup is not ready yet. It's not ready. Okay. Pin hammer engulfing, we're accumulating. We're just sitting here at this, we're sitting at the 25, right? We're sitting here at the 25. All of a sudden, bang, price shoots up. We got it engulfing. Engulfing. Now, I'm ready. I'm trading London session. I'm coming to the market at 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right. We got an engulfing. Now we're waiting on the retracement, pullback. That's what we're waiting on. And if you notice, we made a W down here. Okay. So now most people, entries for the W can be down here. You can enter. That's if you see the W. If you see the W, you can enter on the second leg down here at the bottom of the W. You can enter here. You can take an entry down at the bottom. Sorry, this thing there. You can enter here, or you can enter at the neckline. At the neckline. So as you can see, we closed above the neckline of the W. We came back, we gave a retracement, and I like to enter at the numbers. I like to enter at numbers or around the numbers. All right. So we got the engulfing. We got the strong rejection, locking in the low of the day. Strong rejection, closed above our zone, came back, we retested. This is just, there's plenty of confirmation here. Pin hammer, double bottom, engulfing. We come back to retest the neckline of the W. We're taking an entry here, or you can just wait. Okay, you can wait until price comes back above the neckline and take an entry there. Either or. But I'm just showing you. We got the pin hammer signaling a sign of a reversal. Okay. Now, if you didn't catch it down here, all right, we got the same thing here. Price closed above. We got a retracement. All right. You can wait till this retracement is over because now you're above. You're closing above that high, that lower high here. You're closing above this, not lower high, but you're closing above this higher high. All right. And there's your entry. Okay. You're entering. That's your entry. Pin hammer, engulfing, and we enter. All right. Now, as price continue to go up, what do we get? We get the pullback. Get the pullback, engulfing, entry. Okay. Now here we go. Going into on a Tuesday trade. As you can see, we're going in Tuesday. Price just accumulating. All throughout the Asian session, we just accumulated. Boom. We come up, engulfing. Now you're just waiting. You're waiting to see what price is gonna do. You're sitting on your hands, you waiting. We're not entering into no trade yet. We waiting. We got a 1, 2, 3 pin hammer. Okay. Pin hammer signaling that the market is gonna go back up. All right. But you're still waiting. You're waiting on your setup to see what the market is gonna do. Pin hammer, it comes back. Okay, we come right back up to the same spot that we stopped at during Asian session. Same spot. Okay, same spot. So now we're making a double top in formation. Same exact thing. You can enter at the top, or you can wait until price breaks the neckline, you know, for a better, this is, I mean, a safe entry. Okay. Price closed below. We're not entering it once this candle closed. Well, me, I'm not entering. I'm not entering. All right. Because I don't want to get in the middle of my zone. Because then, as you can see, price can come back, and test the neckline of the M. I don't want to get in the middle of my zone. All right. So as you can see, we come back. I want to get in at the numbers, engulfing, pin hammer. We come back, we hit numbers, we taking a trade. There you go. All right. Pin hammers and engulfings. Pin hammers and engulfings. All right, let's go. Let's keep going. Okay, that was no trade day. We had news later on during the day. You know what I mean? There's no trade day. But check this one out. Here we go, coming into Asian session. We come up here, we reject the 25, accumulate for a little while. Markets open up. We got engulfing, right at the start of the right at the start of the new session. We got engulfing. Okay, you could take an entry here. You got your engulfing. You close below your double zeros, which is a strong level of support and resistance. Close below the double zeros. We got the pullback. Close below. We got engulfing. You could take an entry here. If you was up and you seen this, looking at the market. If not, you just wait. You know what I mean? Don't rush a trade. Just wait. Be patient. Sit on your hands. But as you can see, we close below. We got a pullback here. We got an engulfing. Bang. Enter. Okay, if you didn't catch that one, what do we get here? We got to close below. Price comes back, comes right back up to the 25, basically stopping out traders who went short here. Okay, we got a retracement. Bang, engulfing, close below. We got the engulfing. All right, we want to enter in at the numbers. Okay, we wait for the pullback. Bang, come back, same thing. Price close below, come back, retracement, engulfing, bang. Now let's look at GU. See what we get with GU. Okay, GU. We got the high of the week here, and we got the low of the week down here somewhere. Now, so just like I say, I'm looking to see where we're at in the market. All right. So right now we're in between the high and the low of the week. Okay. Same exact thing happened Friday. We had this nice push. We had this nice retracement. All right. So they probably was going to continue this for a little bit. All right. So we come up Asian session. All right. Shooting star, pin hammer, whatever you want to call it. All right. Engulfing. All right. We can get in here, or we can wait until it break the low of this previous candle, catch a quick scalp. Then we come back, pulls back up. All right. We pull back up. Got this inside bar right here. Inside bar, reversal. We coming back, pull back. Now we create this double bottom. If you don't see the W, if you didn't see the W forming, like I said before, you just wait. Just wait. Okay. Because you could take an entry here off the W, or you can wait into the neckline. Then bang, engulfing. We got the pullback. We entering in at the numbers, or we can enter in at the neckline. Bang. All right. Now, if you didn't even catch this trade, this was a trading opportunity. We come up. We hit the 75. We got an engulfing. We get the pullback. Bang. 50 pip drop. Engulfing. 50 pip drop. 1 bar stop. Bang. Coming into the next day, we hit the previous day's high. Okay, we hit previous day's high. Now I'm not looking to take a trade unless we break that previous day's high. All right, we want to sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low. And as you can see, we came up with rejection, pin hammer, shooting star, like I said, whatever you want to call it. All right, strong rejection of the high. We come right back, rejection, another strong rejection. Bang, we dropping down, we coming down. All right, not quite an engulfing, but with these two strong rejections of this high, I'm taking an entry here. All right. I'm gonna take an entry here. Stop loss will be 1 bar stop, or you can have your stop loss up here. All right. But now if you just want to wait, you wasn't comfortable with that, you want to wait, just wait. All right. Then as you can see, bang, 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 3 black crows. We got a nice pullback. Now we're below that low of last week. Closed below the low of last week. We got the pullback. We got the engulfing. All right. Now I'm not getting in down here. I want to get in. I want to sell high. All right. I'm not getting in here. I want to sell high. All right. So you got the strong engulfing that closed below the low of last week. Now you waiting on your retracement. Okay. You already see that we dropping. We got the pullback here, small minor little pullback. Bang, engulfing. Boom. Now you can take an entry right here at the low of last week. And like I said, more than over 50 pip drop. So that is what I'm looking for when I'm getting into the market, you guys. Pin hammers and engulfers are the main things that I'm looking for. And I'm looking to enter into the market at the numbers. All right. I'm looking to enter in at the numbers. All right. So if you enjoyed this video, give your boy a like, you know, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you have any comments, you know what I mean, if anything, just leave a comment down below and I will get back with you. All right. So like I said, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and be the reason that somebody smiles today. All right. Be the reason that someone smiles today. Peace and love, family.